Because Mercury has little or no atmosphere, a view of the planet's skies would be no different from viewing space from orbit. Because of the planet's eccentric orbit, the sun's apparent size in the sky would be 2 times that from Earth. Number 2. Venus. The atmosphere of Venus is very hot and thick. It is made up mainly of carbon dioxide, and thick clouds of sulfuric acid completely cover the planet. The sun is not distinguishable in the daytime sky, and the stars are not visible at night. Color images taken by the Soviet Venera probe suggest that the sky on Venus is orange. Because of the thick clouds which envelop this planet, the sun looks like a light-colored spot in the sky on an overcast, murky day. Number 3. The moon. The moon's atmosphere is essentially a vacuum, so its sky is always black. The sun is so bright that it is impossible to see stars during the daytime. The sun looks the same from the moon as it does from Earth's orbit. On the moon, you would see a solar eclipse when the sun goes behind the Earth. Number 4. Mars. You know that since Mars has a very thin atmosphere, unlike our home planet does, its sky is not blue at all. Just before the sun rises on a crisp morning, you can see the deep blue sky, but as it moves up the horizon, the hue of the sky will turn pinkish red. The day before lunch will look yellow, close to the color of the light beer, but as soon as the midday hits, the only color you'll see is red and orange. Occasionally, before the dawn, you'll admire violet sky. At night, since there are no clouds, you'll love looking at the billions of bright stars shining. Number 5. Jupiter. The sunlight there is on average 27 times fainter than here on Earth. The planet's narrow rings might be faintly visible from latitudes above the equator. Further down into the atmosphere, the sun would be obscured by clouds and haze of various colors, most commonly blue, brown, and red. Number 6. Europa. In the sky of the Jupiter's moon, the planet would look 24 times larger than our moon appears from Earth. Europa, however, would appear as a completely featureless white disk. The sunlight illuminates Jupiter in a reddish ring as it passes through the layers of the gas giant's atmosphere. Number 7. Saturn. The sky in the upper layers of Saturn's atmosphere is blue. The deeper down you dive, the more yellow the sky would get. The rings are pretty thin, so from a position on Saturn's equator, they would be almost invisible. The sun's rays are refracted by the abundance of water ice crystals and gases, creating incredible images such as the false sun seen here. Saturn's moons would not look particularly impressive in its sky, as most are fairly small and the largest are a long way from the planet. Even Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, appears only half the size of Earth's moon. Number 8. Uranus and Neptune. The skies of Uranus and Neptune are light blue. The planet's rings are very thin and dark, so they won't be seen from the surface. None of Uranus's moons would appear as large as a full moon on Earth from the surface of their parent planet. However, the distances are so great, some moons would look dim or invisible at all. The sun would appear very tiny and dim as well. Here, the sun barely provides any heat at all, since it's almost 2.8 billion kilometers away. Number 9. Pluto. From the perspective of the most distant planet in our solar system, the sun is point-like to human eyes, but still very bright. The planet's atmosphere produces a noticeable blue haze which is visible at sunset. Pluto and its moon Charon are tidally locked to each other. This means Charon always presents the same face to Pluto. By the way, thank you for all the times you hit the like button and left comments. We really appreciate it. We work hard to provide you with these awesome videos. Do you want to watch something we haven't produced? Let us know in the comments.